Debt repayment doesn't have to be a lonely journey. Learn how to stay motivated and inspired. How to stay motivated when paying off debt feels impossible. Paying off debt can feel like an insurmountable task, especially when the numbers seem overwhelming and progress feels slow. However, staying motivated is crucial to achieving financial freedom. This guide will provide actionable strategies, psychological insights, and practical tips to keep you motivated on your debt repayment journey. We'll explore the importance of mindset, goal setting, support systems, and more while maintaining a positive and encouraging tone. Table of Contents. 1. Understanding the emotional toll of debt. The psychological impact of debt. Why motivation wanes over time. Breaking the cycle of negativity. 2. Setting realistic goals. The importance of SMART goals. Breaking down large debts into manageable chunks. Celebrating small wins. 3. Creating a debt repayment plan. The debt snowball method. The debt avalanche method. Customizing your approach. 4. Building a support system. The role of accountability partners. Joining debt-free communities. Communicating with loved ones. 5. Staying focused on the big picture. Visualizing a debt-free future. Understanding the long-term benefits. Avoiding short-term temptations. 6. Managing stress and mental health. Practicing self-care, mindfulness and meditation. Seeking professional help when needed. 7. Tracking progress and adjusting strategies. The power of tracking tools. When to reassess your plan. Staying flexible and adaptable. 8. Finding inspiration and motivation. Reading success stories. Listening to podcasts and watching video. Surrounding yourself with positivity. 9. Rewarding yourself along the way. Non-monetary rewards. Budget-friendly celebration. Balancing discipline and enjoyment. 10. Avoiding common pitfalls. The danger of comparison. Staying away from new debt. Overcoming setbacks and relapses. 11. Building healthy financial habits. Budgeting and saving. Emergency funds and their importance. Investing in your future. 12. Final thoughts and encouragement. Remembering why you started. Embracing the journey. Celebrating your resilience. 1. Understanding the emotional toll of debt. The psychological impact of debt. Debt is not just a financial burden, it's an emotional one as well. The constant worrying about payments, interest rates, and the fear of falling behind can lead to stress, anxiety, and even depression. Understanding the emotional toll of debt is the first step toward managing it effectively. Acknowledge your feelings and recognize that it's okay to feel overwhelmed. This awareness will help you approach your debt repayment journey with compassion for yourself. Why motivation wanes over time. Motivation is often high at the beginning of any journey, but it tends to wane as challenges arise. When paying off debt, the initial excitement of making a plan can fade when you realize how long the process might take. This is normal. The key is to find ways to reignite your motivation regularly, breaking the cycle of negativity. Negative thoughts can create a vicious cycle that makes it harder to stay motivated. Instead of focusing on how much debt you have, shift your mindset to focus on the progress you're making. Replace thoughts like, "I'll never get out of debt" with "every payment brings me closer to freedom." 2. Setting realistic goals. The importance of SMART goals. SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, are essential for staying motivated. Instead of saying, "I want to pay off my debt," set a goal like, "I will pay off $5,000 of credit card debt in 12 months by paying $417 per month. This clarity makes your goal feel more attainable. Breaking down large debts into manageable chunks. Large debts can feel overwhelming, but breaking them into smaller, manageable chunks can make the process less daunting. For example, if you have $20,000 in student loans, focus on paying off $1,000 at a time. Each small victory will keep you motivated. Celebrating small wins. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Paid off $500. Treat yourself to a small reward, like a favorite meal or a relaxing evening. These celebrations reinforce positive behavior and keep you motivated. 3. Creating a debt repayment plan. The debt snowball method. The debt snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first while making minimum payments on larger ones. This approach provides quick wins, which can boost your motivation, The debt avalanche method. The debt avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. While it may take longer to see progress, this method saves you money in the long run. Customizing your approach. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Choose a method that aligns with your personality and financial situation. You can even combine elements of both methods to create a personalized plan. 4. Building a support system. The role of accountability partners. An accountability partner can help you stay on track. This could be a friend, family member, or even a financial coach. Share your goals with them and check in regularly to discuss your progress. Joining debt-free communities. Online and offline communities of people working towards similar goals can provide encouragement and advice. Platforms like Reddit, Facebook groups, and local meetups are great places to start communicating with loved ones. Be open with your loved ones about your debt repayment journey. Their support can make a significant difference, and they may even offer practical help, like reducing expenses or contributing to payments. 5. Staying focused on the big picture. Visualizing a debt-free future. Imagine what your life will look like once you're debt-free. Will you travel more, save for a home, retire early? Keeping this vision in mind can help you stay motivated during tough times, understanding the long-term benefits. Paying off debt isn't just about financial freedom. It's about reducing stress, improving your credit score, and creating opportunities for future investments, avoiding short-term temptations. It's easy to get sidetracked by short-term desires, like impulse purchases or lifestyle inflation. Remind yourself of your long-term goals and the sacrifices you're making to achieve them. 6. Managing stress and mental health. Practicing self-care. Taking care of your mental and physical health is crucial. Exercise, eat well, and get enough sleep to maintain your energy and focus. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness practices can help you stay present and reduce anxiety about the future. Even a few minutes of meditation each day can make a difference. Seeking professional help when needed. If debt is causing significant stress or mental health issues, don't hesitate to seek help from a therapist or counselor. They can provide tools and strategies to cope with the emotional burden. 7. Tracking progress and adjusting strategies. The power of tracking tools. Use apps, spreadsheets, or journals to track your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. When to reassess your plan. Life is unpredictable, and your financial situation may change. Regularly reassess your plan and make adjustments as needed. Staying flexible and adaptable. Flexibility is key to long-term success. If one strategy isn't working, don't be afraid to try something new. 8. Finding inspiration and motivation. Reading success stories. Hearing about others who have successfully paid off debt can be incredibly inspiring. Look for blogs, books, and forums where people share their journeys, listening to podcasts and watching videos. There are countless podcasts and YouTube channels dedicated to personal finance and debt repayment. These can provide both education and motivation. Surrounding yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's people, media, or environments that encourage and uplift you. 9. Rewarding yourself along the way. Non-monetary rewards. Rewards don't have to cost money. Treat yourself to a relaxing bath, a walk in nature, or a movie night at home. Budget-friendly celebrations. Celebrate milestones without breaking the bank. Host a potluck dinner, have a game night, or enjoy a picnic in the park. Balancing discipline and enjoyment. It's important to stay disciplined, but don't forget to enjoy life along the way. Find a balance that works for you. 10. Avoiding common pitfalls. The danger of comparison. Comparing your journey to others can lead to frustration and demotivation. Focus on your progress and goals, staying away from new debt. Avoid taking on new debt while paying off existing balances. This may require lifestyle changes, but it's essential for long-term success. Overcoming setbacks and relapses. Setbacks are a normal part of any journey. Instead of giving up, learn from them and keep moving forward. 11. Building healthy financial habits. Budgeting and saving. Creating and sticking to a budget is crucial for managing your finances and avoiding future debt. Emergency funds and their importance. An emergency fund can prevent you from falling back into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Investing in your future. Once you're debt-free, focus on building wealth through saving and investing. 12. Final thoughts and encouragement. Remembering why you started. When motivation wanes, remind yourself why you started this journey. Whether it's for your family, your future, or your peace of mind, your reasons are powerful. Embracing the journey. Paying off debt is a journey, not a sprint. Embrace the process and learn from the challenges along the way. Celebrating your resilience. You are stronger than you think. Every payment, every sacrifice, and every step forward is a testament to your resilience and determination. Paying off debt is undoubtedly challenging, but with the right mindset, strategies, and support, it's entirely possible. Stay focused, celebrate your progress, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. You've got this.